This is a Tearaway stabilizer, and this is Stretch Guard. Today, we'll show you why Stretch Guard is the best choice for stretchy fabrics. Let's stitch the same design and see the comparison. Watch until the end to learn the importance of choosing the right medium for your projects. Stretch Guard is a fusible woven medium made for tricky fabrics like knits, spandex, activewear, and lycra. It essentially wovenizes the fabric, making it stable and preventing puckering while remaining soft to the touch as it stays in the garment. First, we're going to cut a piece of Stretch Guard to fit the size of our design. We're going to grab the wrong side of the fabric and iron that in place. We're actually going to pair up our total support and hoop it together with this project to give a little bit of extra structure while embroidering. Tearaway stabilizer is usually a beginner's go-to stabilizer when they start out. But unfortunately, this doesn't work well with stretchy fabrics. That's where Stretch Guard comes in. We're using the same thread, machine settings, and needle to keep everything consistent. You can see that with the Tearaway stabilizer, the fabric starts to shift slightly. The stabilizer doesn't provide enough support for stretchy fabrics, leading to puckering and less desirable results. Stretch Guard keeps the fabric in place more effectively. The design is stitching out neatly with minimal shifting or puckering compared to when using the Tearaway stabilizer. It's perfect for complex and heavy designs, allowing for fabric stability and reduced movement while stitching. Now we're going to show you the final results. On the left, we have the design stitched with Tearaway stabilizer. Notice the puckering and how the fabric shifted during stitching. The design is not crisp, making it less precise. On the right, we have the design stitched with Stretch Guard. The fabric has stayed in place and the design is sharp. No puckering, no wrinkles, and the fabric still has that natural stretch outside the design. Stretch Guard offers the stability needed for stitching on stretchy fabrics. It prevents puckering and distortion. It's soft and skin-friendly, making your garments comfortable to wear. Bonus, it's easy to apply. Just iron it on and you're good to go. Stretch Guard works beautifully with all knits and stretchy fabrics. Note that we can also use it for hand stitching wool fabric. It works well with fabrics like fleece and minky too. We'll see you in more videos to showcase how versatile Stretch Guard is. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips, tricks, and tutorials. You can also sign up for our weekly newsletter to get the first look at free projects, sewing tips, and inspiring tutorials delivered right to your inbox. Check out the description box below to sign up, as well as find a list of stores and retailers that you can purchase WonderFil threads from in your country.